Here's a quick and easy snake face paint for those super long queues. I've used Fusion White, Tag Leaf White, a 1/2 inch angled brush, number 6 round brush, and 2 number 2 round brushes. For this step, load up your 1/2 inch flat brush. Try to pick up the dark of the green at the tip of the brush and the lighter green with the heel of the brush. Load up your number 6 round brush with some yellow to dot on the eyeball. And now we're going to proceed with the number 2 round brush, doing the gums and the teeth. Loading up the number 2 round brush for the eyes and outline of the teeth. Sponge on some dark green using a snakeskin stencil. Test the paint consistency on your hand. It should be sticky to prevent bleed. And lastly, finishing off with some line work, just outlining the entire snake